All right, so let's get started with the basics. User experience design, or UX design, or UX or UXD, or whatever you want to call it, is really about how human beings perceive and interact with something. In the case of this course, UX refers to web pages, web applications, or mobile apps. Ideally, they are all one of a few things specifically. They're effective at what they are designed to do, allowing users to achieve a goal or complete a specific task. Two, they do it efficiently with minimal waste, meaning users don't have to spend excess time or energy. By the way, that step is the easiest to recognize because users typically get frustrated. Next, the app is intuitive, and then finally, it is responsive and interactive, and then sometimes even maybe the app even looks cool as hell. However, before we get ahead of ourselves, you should know that we're wading into gray area here. In large part, UX design and usability in general is very loosely defined. There really aren't many universal guidelines yet, and around the world, teams are always inventing different processes to achieve results. This is mainly because innovation and technology keeps evolving with our ability to create better and better experiences. Couple this with how quickly devices and software change themselves with things like device types, screen sizes, or even hardware interaction like keyboards or swiping. UX is in a constant state of discovery. But remember, the goal is always the same: to smooth your ability to use devices and achieve results while enhancing your experience along the way. So in other words, UX is complex, and it lies somewhere within the triad of art, science, and cognitive psychology. So when a UX designer sets to build something, they're really just trying to produce results in the form of human behavior. Try asking yourself this question: how can this product allow this user to perform this task more easily while being more enjoyable? Next, we'll take a look at the history of UX and how it has evolved over time. But don't worry, this will be a little shorter than your history class in high school, and certainly more fun. But before we move on, I have a question for you. Are you ready for this section's quiz? Good luck.